To create a solopreneur dashboard in Obsidian, you'll be able to manage your business from a single, organized space. Obsidian allows you to connect notes seamlessly, making it ideal for centralizing your work. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, let's build this solopreneur dashboard. The first thing we're going to do is create the foundational folder structure. Open Obsidian and navigate to your preferred vault. In the File Explorer sidebar, you'll see options to create new folders. Create 3 new folders: Business, Projects, and Resources. The Business folder will house your overall dashboard and business planning notes. The Projects folder is where you'll track active projects, and the Resources folder is for templates, references, and useful documents. This simple structure provides a clear separation of information, which is key to managing a solopreneur's diverse activities. Now, let's create the main dashboard note. Inside the Business folder, create a new note and name it Solopreneur Dashboard. This note will be your homepage, the central hub for your business operations. Within the Solopreneur Dashboard note, set up a basic structure. First, a heading labeled #Solopreneur Dashboard. Next, create sections for today's priorities: business goals, active projects, client updates, quick links, and notes. This provides a clear visual organization, a simple list to guide your daily focus. Remember, it's a starting point. You'll populate these sections as you go. Next, we're going to create some core notes that support the dashboard. Inside the Business folder, create separate notes for business planning. These might include business plans, weekly reviews, monthly goals, meeting notes, and business ideas. Keeping these separate from project work makes your workspace much easier to manage. For example, your business plans notes can have detailed strategic insights, while weekly reviews can offer a concise assessment of progress. Avoid shoehorning everything into one giant note. Organization is the key. Now let's build out the Projects folder. Inside the Projects folder, create a note named Project Tracker. This note will be your central hub for tracking project progress. Within the Project Tracker note, create sections for active projects, upcoming tasks, deadlines, progress updates, and related notes. This allows you to diligently monitor the progress of everything on your plate. Regularly updating this note is crucial for effective project management. Moving on, let's create a note for your resources. Inside the Resources folder, create a note named Business Resources. This folder will house all the tools, templates, and links you frequently use. Within the Business Resources note, you can create sections like templates, references, useful links, tools, and notes. This is a great place to consolidate all your business resources and ensure you can easily access them whenever needed. Now that we've created the basic folder structure and notes, it's time to connect them. Within Obsidian, you can use internal links to create linkages between notes. Link the Solopreneur Dashboard note to the Project Tracker note. Link the Solopreneur Dashboard note to the Business Resources note. And finally, link your business notes to project notes. This interconnectedness is what makes Obsidian so powerful for a solopreneur dashboard. These connections allow you to quickly navigate between related information and build a dynamic knowledge base. Furthermore, let's add properties to your notes to enhance their organization. Properties are tags and attributes that you can assign to notes to categorize and filter them. Useful properties include status, for example, to do, in progress, complete. Priority, for example, high, medium, low. Category, for example, marketing, operations, finance. Due date, last updated, and client. Implementing these properties will streamline your workflow, allowing for quick filtering and organization. Next, let's add tags to your notes. Tags are keywords that you can use to categorize and filter your notes. Examples include business, client, project, planning, finance, and marketing. Using tags will allow you to quickly locate related information throughout your vault. Be consistent with your tagging strategy to ensure accurate categorization. Now let's talk about your daily workflow. Start by reviewing your Solopreneur dashboard to check your priorities. Next, update your project tracker with current tasks and progress. Then add new notes, resources, or ideas as needed and connect them using internal links. Finally, review your dashboard at the end of the day and update completed work to reflect your current business status. To recap, we've created a solopreneur dashboard in Obsidian, utilizing a 3-folder structure and 3 initial notes: business, projects, and resources, with a solopreneur dashboard, project tracker, and business resources note. This system grants you centralized business management, better organization, and faster navigation. To continue, review your dashboard at the beginning of each workday. Keep your list of priorities short and focused. Update your project tracker regularly, organize business resources in one location, and connect related notes using internal links. Remember to use properties to track project status and deadlines, and add tags to improve searching and organization. Save this video and revisit these steps whenever you need to update your business setup.